In today's videos we're going to show you how keeping a clean kitchen using non-transparent jars and using small portion dishes for the food can keep you healthier. Let's start with the first one, keeping a clean kitchen. It can make you wonder, how does a clean kitchen keep you on a diet or healthier? Well, when you see dirt and a lot of unorganized and messed up kitchen and dishes all around, it induces a state of hunger on the viewer who is present on that messed up kitchen. When you see a messed up kitchen, messed up dishes, messed up table, all that messed up scenario, it increases slightly the stress level on our body. And that level increases slightly every time that we stay there, and even more when we procrastinate to clean it. And as a response of stress, what we do is we look out for good feelings, to do something that would make us feel good. And how we do that? Simply by consuming snacks, little things that make us feel good. So by having a clean kitchen, a clean environment, we feel more natural, and then we feel less stressed. And when we feel less stressed, then we tend to consume food as a response to stress less than before. So this is a way how we can maintain a healthy environment for us. Now, in a similar situation, opaque containers or non-transparent containers function. Now, I don't need to tell you how someone tends to feel when he or she sees snacks around the house. Even if we were full, we still would tend to eat them. Now, the act of seeing the snack produces a feeling. This feeling is a reaction towards the food that we're seeing. This reaction is craving. We see some tasty food, some tasty snacks, then our body would produce a hormone that would make us crave that food. And then what we do, we would fall to our feelings and then consume it. And as a response to that, what we should do is keep those foods, those candies, those snacks in non-transparent or opaque containers, because that way we are not having those cues that stimulate us hunger and forces us to consume them. And in the other side, we have to keep on transparent containers the healthy food, carrots, apples, fruits, vegetables, because that way we have cues for what we would consume. And even though they wouldn't feel more tasty, more attractive, or more delicious, still, by seeing them, we would react towards these kinds of containers and food because we are able to see them, and when we are hungry, we tend to go more towards what we see that is there. And that thing that is there is also what we would consume to make us feel good and make us feel fed up. So the lesson is, keep snacks, candies on opaque, non-transparent containers, and keep healthy foods on transparent containers. Now to our third part. Use unproportional sized dishes. More specifically, use dishes that their size is smaller than the size of the food. When you hold a normal size food on a small dish, that food looks like it's too much. And this lie, this trick, makes our brain and our stomach to produce hormones that make us already fed up and makes us to produce less ghrelin. Ghrelin is a chemical that stimulates appetite in our body. So, when we see these dishes that are smaller than the actual food, then this tricks our brain and our body to produce less from the ghrelin, the appetite hormone, and produce more hormone that makes us feel already fed up, that we don't need to eat much. So the advice is use smaller dishes than the actual food that you are going to consume, because then you'd feel already fed and then you'd consume less than you do if the dish would have a normal size or would have a bigger size. So these are the three advices so you can maintain a healthy environment for yourself and a healthy body. Use unproportional dishes, clean your kitchen, and also use opaque jars for candies and transparent jars for healthy foods. And I see you on the next video.